Hi, afternoon guys, or morning guys, no matter where you are. This is Sean from Sean's Auto Repairs. I thought I'd give you a bit of an update as to what's been happening since Christmas, since my last video. As you may recall, I was in the process of moving, and that move took a lot longer than what we anticipated. We were supposed to move at the end of last year, before Christmas, 2020. But due to delays with COVID and solicitors and buyers pulling out further down the chain, it took us till June of this year, 2021, to move. So during that 6 months, I've had since Christmas till now. Well, in fact, now we moved in June. It's now all September. So 8 or 9 months has gone past. In that time, I've been doing bits and pieces. But from where I was working down in Kent, with my garage and driveway, I've lost that now, and instead of having a separate garage and workshop, I've now just got a standard sized garage which I've had to condense all my stuff into. So I've got a garage and workshop in one unit, and so I'm working outside basically on my driveway next to the house. Luckily it's gated off. So future videos, which should start again soon hopefully, will be filmed there. So let me take you outside and give you a bit of a look around of what I've got and where I'm working. Alright, so these are the gates at the front of my driveway. Well, not at the front of my driveway, but the enclosed area. And then we've got a bit of a courtyard where I'll be working. This car is in for the next video. It's in for I'll tell you about that later. And then we've got my garden up there. But this is the workshop or come garage where I'll be working from. I've got the whole contents of my garage and workshop all crammed into one. So to start with, I've got my toolbox there, and down there I've got my pico kit, my electrical kit, my scan tool. They're both new kits. I'll be doing like a opening or unboxing of those. That one is the topdon Pheonix Plus, and that is the new pico 4425 kit. And then I've got all my other tool sets scattered around. That's the monitor that I was using for my pico. I don't know if I'll be using that one anymore. I think I might be getting a bigger screen. And then all the rest of it is just odds and ends really. All my wiper blades are up there, stacks of those. The greases and my oils are all back down in that corner. Whereas if you remember rightly, in the old garage they were all down the end there. Just general junk, bits and pieces. Right, so let's try and get a few more videos out in the next few months before the winter sets in. I've got a few jobs. I mean, I haven't really advertised in this area at the moment. We've moved from I'll put a map up here somewhere, but we've moved from Kent up to the northeast, up to Lincolnshire. So I haven't really needed to advertise for any work at the moment. I've got a few jobs coming in here and there from neighbours and friends and stuff. Well, I think that's about it for now. I just wanted to catch up with you all and let you all know what was going on. I know I promised to do some videos after Christmas, but they never materialised. So yeah, I'll try and get a few more videos out now, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Ooh. Nice padded cover, nice and protected, liking that. TA473 60 amp clamp. 2000 amp, liking that. Let's see what we got here. Crop clips, piercing probes, mini crop clips, very nice. Right, let's put them back in the box. And in the red box we have the same. Certainly a lot more than I've got in the last kit. We have an S-hook for hanging it up, and we also have some back pinning probes. With replaceable pins and screws. We have some chunky needles. We have some thinner ones. Nice, right. Okay. So let's see what we got. Ooh, up here. Oh, so we've got the USB lead, USB 3, fuse breakout leads, TA4 blue lead, TA505 red lead, yellow lead, green lead. We've got some HT extensions. Nice one. We've got the TA499. I think that is the resistance lead. Oh, 600 volt. Let's look into that. HT pickup lead. Two of those. And the coil on plug paddle probe. Very nice, very good indeed. Alright, so just take one of the red leads out of the bag. There's the 6-pin connector. The male for the earth. And into there. Double ended so you can stack them. And of course you get the little manual. Idiot's guide, what to do and what not to do. Safety guide. I think that basically tells you how not to get an electric shock. And the leads just plug in like that, just plug straight in. You've got a couple of little press tabs on each side. Straight out. Very nice. Well, I think we look forward to using it.